My name is Samiksh and I am here to explain our project Firefly. So here we have two motors which is powered by this battery. The PVC pipe is held at an angle so that the ball launches faster. So this is the ground robot. Here what we have is the IR module which follows a line. This is the Bluetooth module which connects to the iPad. This is the motor driver which controls these both motors. And this is Arduino Uno which controls the whole of this project.
Hello, and I'm Neil. I've assembled and constructed the drone. And now I'm going to explain the drone system before explaining the components. So, the drone's going to stay with the security, and when a fire is detected, the drone will autonomously fly towards the fire source and extinguish it. Now, we'll talk about the components. These are the 1400 kilovolt motors. It is the A2212 motor. So, it has a 10 times 4.5 inch propellers, which gives it enough thrust for it to fly. This is the Pixhawk 2.4.8. It is the motherboard of the drone, and it controls all the motors and autopilot. Along with this is the compass. The compass is also a GPS module, which enables precise autopilot. This is the ESC, or the electronic speed controller. It controls the speed of the motor spinning. This is the power module for the Pixhawk, which powers the entire Pixhawk. Along with this, it is connected to a PDB, which is a power distribution board. It supplies powers to all the motors. Now, this is the receiver. It sends data to the transmitter or the remote, which enables us to fly the drone. So, the launcher is a detachable mechanism which can be detached from the ground robot to the drone as well. So this was the explanation of the components and the system of the Project Firefly drone.